boys, here we go. We're gonna do the 4-minute challenge. I think we got her. I got the cold air intake right here ready to go. I'm gonna fire her up for you, boys. Let you hear this F-150 go. I'll tell you. Here we go, boys. You ready for this? She's got the 5.0 in her. Oh, listen to that. I'm gonna warm her up so it ain't so cold on the hands. Boys, want to hear her? Go a little colder at us here. Ready? Oh my goodness, that sounds good. Here we go. 5-minute challenge. Just let her warm up a little from your hands here. Alright, boys. Now we're gonna see if we can do her in 5 minutes here. Got me tools ready here. What you need for your tools, if you want to try to do her in 4 minutes, you got the bit here. 9:30 seconds. That's for the stock one there. Then we got 5/16. We got the flat-headed screwdriver and the X-Acto knife. Now the X-Acto knife for trimming this up. All right, fellas, here we go. We got to take her apart. The young fella there behind the camera, get the camera up there. Stop sleeping behind the camera. You, my goodness, for unpaid help. I'll tell you. All right, boys, you go down there and you hit that subscribe button. Help a brother out. Here we go. Can't even get the hood open. Okay, are we starting here? When are we going to start? When I gets the gun? All right. Timer's on. Are we ready for this? Here we go. All right. We got her. Here we go. Oh my God. Pressure's on. So all you got to do here is one clamp in the bottom there. Hooks her up to the throttle body. I don't got much time for explaining. Now you get the flat-headed screwdriver here. 4 minutes. You pop this clip out. Hits her. Pulls her. This one here is a bit of a trick. You gotta twist and turn. Pop her up. Same idea. Got them 2 clamps off. Now, these 2 little clamps here, click her off. Pulls this up. Now, 4 minutes, I don't know, them other fellers might have been cheating. You got me in that camera there, cameraman. You're sleeping behind the camera. Oh, I only got 4 minutes to do this. I don't want to do this twice, because you messed up on the camera angle. My goodness, free help's hard to come by, boys. Got the young feller there behind her. You got to take out this filter here. There's a high performance filter right there. High performance filter. I'm so excited. Here we go. All right, get your tools ready. Now, you got me in the camera there. Here we go. Change a bit. My goodness, I hope I don't run out of time here. Little nerves still in this box here. We got the intake. Oh, we don't want to scratch that son of a gun. I don't know if I'm going to be able to talk much doing this. I'll try her out here. And we'll go up or over. Kinks will go just like that. All right. Put your little screwsies in here. This is going to be the most longest part of this job right here. Putting these stupid bolts in here. So I got one in. Just got these little bolts. Can you see that? I bet you can. Flips her over. Get the other side in there. Oh, I hope so I can do her. 4 minutes. That's going to be a challenge. Oh my goodness, boys. I think I got her. Got 2 in there. My goodness. For you fellas up there that think that you might want to go and hire somebody. Well, like if I can do her in 4 minutes, I'm sure you can too. These little washers are going to be the death of me here. Can't get them up off the concrete. My goodness. Alright, we've got 3 in there. 3 of them. This is number 4. Flips her over. Come on, little washer. You can do it. Don't you be trying to team up on me, you little washer. Slowing me down. Alright, I already switched her over. Got the 5/16 bit in there. Got the Allen key. Remember, it came with the kit there, that fast Allen key. That's how can you not be fast? Tighten her up. That one's tight. Oh, I'm floundering around. I'm getting all nervous here. I hope so I can do her. Probably at 2 minutes now. Oh, shucks. 2 minutes. I hope not. I hope I'm only at a minute. Alright, young fella. We might be having to do some editing. I just learned a new word, editing. Alright, boys. There we go. We got that done. throws that in there. Now they got these little plastic strips. Remember, I didn't know what them was for. So those are for to go on there. So you just squeeze them on there. Just like so. Just like that. Now she's a little slower for me because I'm showing you boys some of the tricks and tips here. Those two are on like that. Now you take your rubber seal here. They got you one of them there. Just put her in the groove. Nope. Alright. Flex her around the corner there. Some people may cut her, but I don't want to. This seals her to the hood, boys. Goes around and around. 4 minutes. Oh, that's really pushing her. Here we go. We got a little glitch in the system there. Okay, now, takes this here, puts that in there, tighten that up. She's tight. Puts her in there, just like so. Take this little booty, make sure clamps on there. Put that on there. That part's done. Take this here. Throws that there. 2 clamps there. Brings her up here. Put 2 clamps on her. Throws that in there. Push that together. Now you see she's got a little groove in there. So we just don't scratch the paint. Jeez Louise, I'll tell you, that'd be bad news. Now take your. We won't hook them up yet. Clamp set up nice. Get your gun on her. Now we got this here. Throws that in there. They got little clips on there. Go into the grooves. Like so. Yeah, there. Oh, gotta get her clamp here. Throws the clamp on there. Now that's in there, nice and tight. Tighten that up. Boom. That's done. This fell off here. Now, tighten these 2 up. Gun's got some power, fellers. Give her a shake. She's good. That's tight. Well, this is going to be the hardest part here. Get these little clippies in here. Now them are in there. Flathead screwdriver. Pop that little clip up there. She's in there. This one back here. Now it's cold up here in Canada, so be careful not to wreck them clips. Put one on there. This sucker on here. There we go, she's installed. Now, what's the time there? Should we start her up? Give her a little listen to? Think there's enough time without that camera glitching out on us again. That is it, boys. She is installed, ready to go. That's pretty good if I don't say so myself. What do you think there, young feller? Pretty good timing?
Yeah.
There we go. Now we'll go do some 0 to 60s and see if she's any better. Alright, let's give her a little listen to it here, fellas. See if she sounds any. Oh, she's got the MBRP race exhaust on her, and she's got the cold air intake. Get up there, young fella. See if she sounds any. Zero to 60 before cold air intake. All right, here we go. 0 to 60 with the cold air, and here we go. Boys have her. We did the cold air intake install. We did the 0 to 60 times. Now I'll tell you, if I was rating this system here, I'd give her a 3 out of 5 stars. Now, here's a couple little things. Them high fluting ones there, they fit a little better than the other ones. But for $150 savings, was pretty darn good. Now, if you guys want to go down there, hit that subscribe button and give her a little thumbs up for me, then I'll know whether I should be making these videos. Next up, we got the, we're going to do the AMSOIL switcheroo on the old Ford F-150 next. Then we got, coming up, we got the headers. We got some stuff with the stereo on the boat there. Let's turn them around here. Let's show them this boat here. Some of this. I got all kinds of stuff on there. Now, you see that speaker there? We're gonna be hooking them up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, I got rid of my cameraman there. I got too excited. Now there we go. Yes, sir, the Ford F-150. Yeah, then we're gonna put on the stainless prop on the old boat there again. All right, well. Till next time. Here, film her. Film her. Come on. Grab her again there, little girl. All right. He's got a little growing up to do. Hey. Hey, boys. You see them muscles? He's giggling. Giggling back there. Well, till next time, you boys stay tuned.